Well, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a video for a customer of ours who sent us that main board with a note that the TV starts and then turns off. And the note said TV repair service found that the problem was with the main board. I'm focusing here on the label on which there is something scratched because that's fairly unique identification of the board. I see there is another one here. This is how the customer will know this is their board, and this is the TV, and this is what the board is doing for us. We haven't repaired it. This is as the board came. This is one of the cases where, you know, it just works. But because somebody has said that apparently someone else has said that the board doesn't work, well, let us know what they say about this. Thank you.